Jollibee?
Take shelter now in a basement or interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest sustainable shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Where do we go?
Right here, bro. We still have a mukbang to film.
Okay.
You think we're gonna leave because of a little storm?